Here is a recently completed project in Mowe, Lagos, Nigeria. This area has very poor power and most of the time no power, which is a similar experience across many communities and cities in Nigeria. This installation comprises a 4 kilowatt inverter and a 5.12 kilowatt hour lithium batteries with 6 370 watt solar panels and a lightning arrestor to protect the system, especially during this season of constant rainfall. With this installation, the customer is assured of 24 hours power supply. We designed this system to power their TV, lights, freezers, fridge, washing machine, blender, and their security perimeter lights as well. What do you want to achieve today? Call us or visit our website at www.retailhubsolarng.